everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So for that, please watch the video till the very end, and first of all you open the Facebook application. Once you open the Facebook application, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, that is the hamburger icon. Tap that. From there you need to tap on setting and privacy. Tap on setting. Inside setting and privacy, tap settings. Once you're inside setting and privacy, you need to scroll down to the audience and visibility. Inside audience and visibility, you will see the option of blocking. You tap that option. Now inside you will find all the list of the people that you have blocked on Facebook. Once you block someone, that person can no longer see things you post on your timeline or tag you or invite you for friend requests or any other events or group. So for you to unblock that person, what you need to do is tap on unblocks next to the profile you want to unblock. Tap that unblock Alexa Blake. If you unblock Alexa, she may be able to see your timeline or contact you from now on once you make the changes. You tap on unblock, the person or the profile will be removed from the block list and will be able to view your timeline from now on. So this is how you can unblock someone on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.